Hi guys, and in today's video we are doing a review on my dad's Mazda MX-5. We are up in the countryside for the sunset here. Yeah, just gonna go for a drive and see how it is. So let's pop this bonnet down and we'll get on to the GoPro. We are on the GoPro. As you can hear, the car is pretty loud. It's pretty much stock with an exhaust, stock 1.8 engine. It likes to drink a bit of the fuel as well. But is it an amazing car to drive, Joe?
Yes. This car back in January for £900, which is an absolute steal. These cars are just going up in value now, and we're having fun with it. So. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please like this video because it was so much fun to do this. Thank you to my dad for letting me film this video. Yeah, props to him for letting me do all the clips that I wanted. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, subscribe and comment as well. Give me feedback what you think of the car and stuff. But yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.